hard one, the sticky one, the one that has too much beads in it. The one that still had water in it, and